The all-new Toyota RAV4 Modelista Edition has been officially unveiled. This new model is specially personalized with the Modelista kit. The FAW Toyota RAV4 has already been launched with prices starting from 169,800 yuan. The trade-in price for the GAC Toyota Wildlander starts from 159,800 yuan. Those interested in the Modelista kit should take this into consideration. Modelista has launched two body kits for different versions. The city-style version features a front spoiler, side skirts, rear bumper, rear wing, and larger sporty black wheels, while the off-road version boasts more silver protective parts, LED spotlights, and other features for a more rugged look. In terms of power, the new car offers 2.5-liter hybrid, 2.0-liter hybrid, and 2.0-liter naturally aspirated engine options, and also provides all-wheel drive.